Hello dear learner of class 6. As you know that we have already discussed our two rules of subject verb agreement. Here we will discuss our third rule. Let's start. When the subject of a sentence consists of two noun pronouns that are joined by as well as including additional words, then the verb agree with its first noun. For example, Radha in addition to her brother has come. Here we put has because of Radha. Radha is our first noun. That is why we have to put here has. Ramesh as well as his brothers is a fine boy. According to Ramesh, we have to put here is. Krishna accompanied by her sisters has been waiting. We have to put here has because of Krishna. Krishna is our first noun. Rakesh with his family was present. According to Rakesh, we have to put here was. Gopal along with his brothers has been invited. According to Gopal, we have to put here has. According to our first noun, we have to put here verb according to first noun. Now next one is when the subject of sentence consists two subjects are joined by not only but also either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with later subject. In this rule we have to put here verb according to later subject. Let's see the example. Either Mohan or his parents. Here his parents later subject. That is why we have to put here verb according to later subject. This is plural, that is why we have to put here plural verb. Next is either the teachers or the principal is strict. Principal is strict. Principal is singular, that is why we have to put here is, and principal is our later subject. Neither Raman nor his parents are dishonest. Raman is our first subject, his parents are second subjects. His parents, according to his parents, we have to put here are. I hope you will understand. Our fifth rule is when a singular subject is joined by another singular subject, the subject becomes plural in number. It must have a plural verb. For example, Radhika is willing to work hard. Piyush is willing to work hard. Radhika and Piyush are willing to work hard. Here we can see that the subject becomes plural in number because Radhika and Piyush becomes plural in number. That is why we have to put here plural verb. I hope you all understand it, revise it. If any question, then comment me. Thank you so much.